You see them in the Connecticut Wing Wars. Now it's time for the Brews and BBQ Turkey Leg Challenge. You have Dan Drumstick Hopkins and Large Tryptophan Dave.
Enjoy this meaty goodness and put down the large man right here. Now, he beat me last time by a wing and a half.
And I am going to eat the hell out of this turkey leg and put down Dan Hopkins.
Let the Brews and BBQ Turkey Leg Challenge begin.
3, 2, 1, go! Eat, 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 eat! Go, 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 go!
Go Dan, go Dave, go Dan!
Show that barbecue!
Go, 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 go! Woo! Go, 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 go! Eat that leg, eat it! You gotta go faster!
Eat it, Dan! Eat it, Dan!
Show
1 minute left, 1 minute. 30 seconds, 30 seconds.
Legs down!
All right.
Dave!
All of a sudden I feel sleepy for some reason.
Dan?
Well, I don't know. I even took off the skin and it just didn't make a difference. You can see his bone. You can't see my bone.